What's up? Hello everyone, it's Marisa here, and today's video, as you probably saw from the title, is a college dorm room tour. So for those of you who don't know me, hello, I'm Marisa, and I am a freshman this year at Indiana University, and I thought it'd be fun to show you guys my dorm because I know when I was a senior in high school, I watched so many dorm tours because I was just really curious as to what that life kind of looked like. If you visit IU a lot or know people at IU or are a fellow Hoosier student, you will probably be able to tell where I live. So I wanted to throw it out there that I'd really appreciate it if you could maybe not talk about the exact residence hall, because just for safety reasons, I'd rather that be a little bit private. But if you do have questions or something, feel free to like DM me on Instagram or Twitter or whatever method you would like to kind of reach out. So I live in a double. I have one roommate and she's super cool. My dorm's pretty old, but everyone kind of goes through the dorm life. I feel like it's kind of just a rite of passage. I really like the way we have ours decorated and set up. I'm just gonna stop talking now and just show you. Let's go. Okay, so this is the door into our rooms, our hallway. My nails are super gross, by the way. Here we have our names, and then if we just close that because it can be pretty loud out there, we have on our door here my towel and her robe, my roommate's robe, and then we are repping the business school up here. And then we have this very lovely mirror on the back of our door, which is nice to just check out our outfits before we head out. So I don't even know where this is from because it actually was already here when we got here, but probably just like Target or something. And then if we move this way, we have a like built-in kind of structure. So up here is our lost and found, which actually this should be up there because it's our friend's umbrella. We have that, and then we have just a bunch of like cups and mugs and stuff for like reusable drinking. Super important to try to not use as much plastic as possible. On this shelf we have just like cleaning supplies. You get sick a lot in college, so it's nice to like have a bunch of Clorox wipes to like wipe stuff down, and then of course some Febreze. We have a little Swiffer mop here, which honestly I would probably only use like once. And then this basket has like dishwashing soap and like a sponge, so this is what we use to like wash and dry our dishes. And then down here we have our like recycling bin. So each of the roommates get like their own closet that's like built in, and they're both like two halves with like these sliding doors on them. So this side is Jenna's, my roommate, so I'm not gonna show you it, but both of us put stuff on her like corkboard thing. This came with the room. Up here we have our little inspiration kind of corner. I love this little card. I think it's so funny. We have these cute little pins. I actually got these both in New York on like separate trips. Super cute. We have some more school stuff. And then down here is like our little like coupon corner where we have some like coupons that we haven't used, which is pretty fun. And then moving over here, we have my side of the closet. So one side is shelving, and everybody kind of sets theirs up differently. So mine just has these like bins. I have extra like towels and then like electronic stuff. And then I have like a ton of like beauty things, hair stuff, hair dryer and like straightener and stuff like that, and then just a bunch of like miscellaneous kind of like beauty things going on. And then this right here is my shower caddy. We have community style bathroom type things. On here, this is like never organized, not gonna lie, but I have just some like t-shirts that I wear a lot. Container right here is actually jewelry, and then this stuff is like batteries and like a screwdriver and stuff. And then I also have one back here that's like health stuff, so it's like medicine and like a thermometer and stuff. And then down here at the bottom, it might be kind of hard to see, but back here I have a suitcase, and then next to it I have a laundry hamper, which I actually got from IKEA. This bag right here is my camera bag, and then I have some shoes. And then this is our little step stool, which is nice because when you go all the way up to these little things, it can be kind of hard to get to. And up here I just have a bunch of like snacks and stuff. So we got some cereal right now and quinoa. Okay, hello again. This is a mirror that like came with our room. And right now I just have a bunch of really fun like Polaroids down the side for like decoration. It's really fun and they make me like super happy. And most of these are like from when I was like traveling, or they're like of my friends or my dog or something. It just makes me like miss them, but also just be like really happy, remember some fun memories and stuff. Alright, and then over here is my actual closet. So as you can see in the back, I have some hats, and then I have all my clothes, and honestly everything fits pretty well. So those are all my shirts, and then I have some like hoodies on top of this thing that I got from Target, I think, or Walmart. It's just this like storage thing that I keep like underwear and stuff in. And then I have my hunter boots right here. That's like my tripod, some like reusable bags, a lint roller. People always wear on my lint roller. And then also just some like bags I use pretty often. And then there's my backpack that I use for class. And then over here we have my desk area. Honestly, I don't really do a lot of studying here, but I do my makeup every morning or whenever I decide to do makeup. These drawers were built in. I just have like books in this one. This one has like school supply kind of things, and then this one has like makeup, vitamins, stuff like that. And then I also have this one here, which I didn't even know existed for like a few days, and then I was like, oh, that's also a drawer. And then I have this really cute pillow, which I got from H&M. And then this little setup right here is makeup stuff. So I got these acrylic kind of holder things, I think from like TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And then I just have these two little things for my brushes as well. And then these flowers right here I got at the farmer's market. They're like dried flowers. And then this is the nail polish I'm gonna use next. My friends actually got this for me for my birthday, so this is what I'm using next. I was like gonna paint my nails now, but then I was like, I need to film this video. And then hi again, it's me. This gold little mirror is super cute, and I think I got it from Target. And then I have this little print, which I absolutely love. I got it from this place in New York in Chelsea's Market. I have like this necklace. My roommate Jenna got it for me for my birthday, which I love. Some Polaroids, and then over here I have this little like lamp thing, which is really nice for storage. I have like my ticket from the Purdue game yesterday, some like stickers. Ooh, this is the Owry, which is a restaurant in Bloomington that I love. And then this back here is a birthday card my grandma sent me, which I thought was so funny. And I like to look at it because it's a dog and a nice looking guy. And then this is a spray thing I use in the room sometimes. And then I just got some like notebooks and stuff, scissors and pens and stuff in there, and a stapler, which is actually super nice because whenever you print stuff you need to use a stapler, and they don't always have one down by the printer. And then of course I have my MacBook, which I love. Over here I always have like sticky note, like to-do list kind of things. I also have like my favorite quote, which is by Mary Oliver, poem. And then over here I also have these like pictures from home. So I have like my dog, some of my best friends from home, a little like inspirational quote. This is Hey Luis, who I got to meet in the Dominican. And then I also have Minty over here, who is my French exchange student, and I got to stay at her house. I don't know if you're watching, Minty, but je me manque, or je te manque. I miss you. And then up here I just have a potted plant. I have this little like jewelry holder. My friend Lindsay made me this little art thing. I have a mug that I use a lot, tissues, and then a rock salt lamp. Then I also have an aloe plant, a picture of my fam, my speaker, my Polaroid, and then I have all these books over here in this corner, which I love, but I haven't honestly gotten a chance to sit down and read them. I mean, some of them I've already read, but... So I honestly love this little corner. It's one of my favorite spots. Alright, and then this little setup we have here, we've got a TV, a microwave, and then we have this really nice fridge, and then obviously our trash can. And then this little like white thing is from Target. It was really easy to put together. And then we got some peanut M&Ms, which is like our essential. I have a ton of tea bags. And then we have just more snacks in here. It's honestly so full of food. Then we have like plates and stuff, utensils, and then down here we just have more food. Who would have guessed? I have some Girl Scout cookies that I bought, and then Jenna's family gave us some cookies, which is awesome. And then this little basket also has food. It's supposed to be fruit, but right now we have bagels and chips and stuff like that. Reese's. And then we also have a Keurig, which we absolutely love. Jenna drinks coffee, but I drink hot tea, and it just works for both of those. And then right here we have a little humidifier slash essential oils dispenser, which is really nice because our room gets really dry. And then we have like all our stuff plugged in. And then the room came with these like 2 curtains that are like gray. And then this is our view. It's honestly not bad. It looks super ugly right now, but during the fall it was gorgeous, and when it snows it also looks really nice. And then we have Jenna's side of the room, which I will not be showing you, but we obviously share this area, which is our futon. I don't know where this is from because my uncle gave it to me, but it's really nice. We use it so much. And then we have storage underneath, and we have this little ottoman thing that is from Target. And then the rug, I believe, is from Home Goods. And then this blanket is so soft. It's from Target. And then we have 2 pillows. This one's Jenna's and this one's mine. We actually made these paintings one time. So she made the top one and then I made the bottom one. And they're just kind of fun decorations. And then we also have these photos of ourselves. And then over here we have a calendar and some more like Polaroid pictures. They're just like super cute and like fun to look at. And then we're repping IU, of course, with our little like banner flag kind of thing. And then underneath that is just kind of like my bedstand, but it's like 2 little boxes that I got from Target that hold like sweaters and stuff. And then I have a fan as well as this other little painting I did. And then here is my bed setup. So actually, turn on the lights. I have these like twinkly lights. So sheets are from JCPenney's. This pink silk kind of pillow is from Amazon, and then the yellow pillow is from Target, and then this long gray one my friend Alyssa made for me for Christmas, and I love it. And then this pillow actually is a surprise. It's my dog Otis. He's so cute. But yeah, it looks a little more aesthetic if it's just gray sometimes. Back here I have a little setup of like an alarm clock, a retainer, a notebook, and then this thing is a computer cover. And then these twinkly lights just kind of help make the bottom bunk less dark because it can get dark down there. And those I think are from Urban actually. And then we both actually have the same duvet, and that is from Pottery Barn, like their dorm line. And then I have this fuzzy blanket, which I'm pretty sure is from Target as well. When in doubt, from Target. But yeah, so we decided to bunk our beds, which is super awesome. It gives us so much more space. And then we also have a ton of storage underneath our bed. We have like lots and lots of boxes and stuff. And then I keep like all my shoes down here, some like boots. And this is my like giant winter coat. It like doesn't fit anywhere, so I just keep it there. And then we also have like a drying rack back here, and I think my yoga mat's back here somewhere. The lighting in here is just so bad. But anyway, that was my dorm room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of what it's like. Maybe get some decorating inspo. I could show you like some guys on our floor's rooms, and they literally have like nothing on their walls or anything. But everybody kind of just sets it up to their own taste. But yeah, be sure to like and subscribe if you liked the video. I post a ton of college related stuff, and I'm planning to do more in the future. I will see you all in my next video.